Hello. In this video I will show you how to add different things like links to videos, other web pages, or images into your forum post. I'm on the main page of the CrochetTalk.com website. First I'm going to go to the Links and Resources forum, where I'm going to post a new thread. And the reason I'm doing this is because I found this website that I wanted to share, free crochet projects. First, what I'm going to do is I'll click the Post New Thread button. I'm going to enter a title, keeping it short but informative. Then in the text box, I'm just going to type a brief description. Okay, so I've got what I want to say typed, but now I need to get the web address or the address of the web page and put it in here. So I'm going to open up that web page, and the web address that I want is up here at the very top. So if I click once, typically it gets highlighted. If for some reason it doesn't, if you click and hold down your left mouse button and drag it across the address, it will become selected. Then if you right mouse click, you'll get a pop-up menu. You'll just want to click copy. It doesn't appear that anything's happened, but you have copied that address. I'm going to go back to the forum page. And then in my box, I'm going to right mouse click again, and then I will select the word paste so that I can paste that web address in my forum post. I'll scroll down to the bottom, and I want to preview this just to see what that link looks like in my post before I share it with everybody else. So the forum is smart enough to turn my web address into some words that are recognizable to people. They could just click that and it should go to that web page. So I think this is nice. At the bottom of the page, I'm going to click the Submit New Thread button, and my new thread is now, if I go back to the Links and Resources, you'll see my new thread for free patterns wanted to share website at the top of the list. That's how you add a web address or a link to another web page to a forum post. I'm going to go back to the main page. I'm going to use this main forum, and I'm going to create one here, post new thread, and in this example I'm going to show you how to provide a video to people. So again, I'm going to enter a title. After the title, I'm going to enter some text here just to give an explanation of why I'm sharing this video. So now I've got my text in there. I'm going to open up the page where I found a YouTube video. And you can see here it's an all free crochet video on how to crochet part 1, basics for the absolute beginner. So again, all I need to do is come up here to the top of the page where the web address is, and I'm going to select all of the text, again using my left mouse button, holding it down, dragging it so that all of the text is selected, using my right mouse button and then selecting copy. Returning to my forum page, I'm going to again click my right mouse button and then select paste. You'll see my video, the link to that video now appears in my forum. Again, I want to preview my post before I make it available to everybody just to make sure I haven't messed up or linked to something I didn't mean to. Now you can see what your post will look like. The beginner's video, I came across this in case anyone is just beginning. And now my video is embedded right on the page. Now I like this, so I'm going to click the Submit New Thread button. Back at the top of the page, I'm going to go back to the main page, and now you'll see in the main forum, my beginner's video is right there at the top. Back on the main Crochet Talk web page, I'm going to show you now how to upload an image. In this example, let's pretend I found an old picture of an Afghan, and nobody remembers where it came from other than that one of my relatives made it. There's no patterns, no descriptions, and I can't find anything online saying what type of pattern or what type of Afghan that is. I'm going to go into the Pattern Requests forum because this one looks like it's the right one for me, because I'm looking for something in particular. So I'll click that. I'm going to click the Post New Thread. I'll add my title, and then I'm going to add some text. So after I've typed my text, in order to add an image, I need to come down here to the bottom part of the page and click the Attachments. I need to Manage Attachments button. So I'm going to upload a new file, so I need to click the Add Files button. I'm going to upload files from my computer. Now I need to select a file. This is where I'm going to locate the image that I found of my grandma's Afghan. So I'll select it. You'll see the name appears here, and I'm going to click Open. Now you'll see the name of the image appears here. Now I need to click the Upload Files button, and now it appears here and here. I'm going to use this picture by clicking the checkbox, and then I'm going to click the Insert Inline button, and then I'll click Done. Now if you see my text here, I want to preview what this looks like, so I'm going to click Preview Post, and you can see now my image appears here. If somebody wanted to see what it looked like, they could click the image and it'll come in larger. And then I'll click the Submit New Thread, and that's how you attach a picture to a forum post.